Hello everyone, I am Soujit Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today's video topic is about dissection of digestive system of Channa punctata, or you can say Channa species, or you can also say this dissection of digestive system of the snakehead fish. So today I will show you how to dissect this our supplied fish, this is snakehead, and to demonstrate its digestive system. So you should follow step by step. So I will show you how to dissect this fish. So let's start the dissection. First of all, you should cut these fins of this fish. Then you should remove the scales from both the side and also into the abdominal side. So we need up to clean up to this anus portion only, because digestive system means starting from mouth and ended in anus. So up to from this to this portion we should need to clean first the scales, then we should go to dissect the fish. The first of all you should clean the fins. In both the sides you clean the fins. Okay, now small fins in this anal fins also. Okay, now we should clean the body, that should remove the scales. You can see that I have cleaned the scales up to the anus part, up to in lateral side, both the lateral side and in the abdominal side, and also up to this portion also. So in this you should clean the scales. First of all, first you should cut the fins, then should clean the scales up to the anus part only. Then you should make a cut. You should cut this operculum side, this abdominal, this you can see this thin skins. So you should cut this all, then you can go to the next step. Now slowly you should cut. By when you are performing any kind of practical, you should keep patient and take a time, then only you can do, and your experiment will be proper. Cut very carefully so that other part no need to cut. You have seen I have cut the skins. More you should go deep and you should cut in this way. Okay, you can see in this part. Okay, now you should cut these muscles, then only you can enter. You can cut this abdominal skin, this muscle, then only the intestine stomachs will be observed. So first of all, you take the scissor and slowly you put inside. You can see in this part, between the this muscle and this gills, put your scissor. Okay, and cut it. You can see in this way you should cut this muscle. Then slowly, with the help of tweezer, remove this muscle upward in this way. You can see in this way you should remove the muscle in upward, and this muscle we have not required, removed it. You remove this muscle. Now you have seen I have removed, and this muscle is exposed. Now you put the scissor in this part, the skin part, and putting this sharp side upward, so that the internal this esophagus or the internal not be damaged. Then slowly make a cut. Can see in this way. I hope you can see. You can see in this way you should press here in upward. You should press, then only skin will be cut, and down the intestine or any internal organ will be not damaged. So in this way you should cut. And see, go slowly. Now see, up to the anus should cut. Between this you should observe slowly that something is not damaged or not. No, it is all okay, then proceed. You can see this is the anus part, so you should cut from side. Side, so that it will be not cut. Okay, you can see now I have cut the abdominal part up to the anus. Then in same way we should cut the lateral side also. Then in same way it should keep the skin, the scissor in upward, then cut it. Okay. Go slowly. In this way you should cut the lateral side in this side and in this side. Okay, so make a cut. You can see I have cut both the side, this lateral side, this muscle. In this way you should cut. You can see that in this way the all these internal organs and this digestive system will be exposed. Now after cutting this side, now you should remove this muscle so that your this digestive system and other organ can be visible clearly. So you should cut it, this muscle, and you should remove from the specimen. You should, okay, you can see, so removed it. And this side also. Now you can see that I have removed the skin and the muscles, and this is the result. You can see that it is exposed. It is exposed. Now slowly you should remove this. You should flap it, expand it, so that more will be clear. Okay, now the our main means this video topic is the dissection of the digestive system of this Channa punctata fish. Now you can see this is the intestine. You can see this is intestine, in the intestine, and this is the anus, this the intestine. How it is present? You can see that this intestine is came here. If I zoomed, then you can clearly can observe the wait, okay, you can see this this is the intestine, and you can see it is a fold. This intestine came here, and it like you said, it gone upward, then it again upward, then again it came back in a U-turn. It taken U-turn again it came downward, and this is and it joined to the this anus part. Okay, in this way. So how you will know as stomach? Now this is the intestine. As stomach, you can see this white color. You can see that this is the stomach. Wait, oh sorry, you can see that this is the stomach part. Okay, the stomach part. For making sure the, as you know that the digestive is system starting from mouth. Okay, mouth, buccal, pharynx, then esophagus, then it goes to the stomach, the intestine, rectum, then anus. So you can see this is the starting. You can see this is the mouth. Okay, this is the mouth where you can see mouth, and on the one, this is the buccal cavity. This portion you can see, this portion you can see the buccal cavity. Okay, this is the mouth, the buccal cavity, and you can see this is the pharynx. This part you can see this is the pharynx part. Wait, more clearly you can see now. You can see this is the pharynx part. Okay, now take this and put the mouth. Then you can see the stomach, which is the stomach. You can see slowly that this is the stomach, this white is the stomach. If you confuse the which is the stomach, then you can do in this way also. I will show once again it. Take the needle and needle this back portion, put from the mouth, put from the mouth, then slowly it should go. Then you can see this is the stomach, this is the stomach. You can see this is the stomach part. You can observe it carefully. This is the stomach. My needle bag is reached to the the stomach. This is the stomach part. So you can make sure this is stomach and other is the intestine. Now how you will remove this intestine from all these fats and tissues. So take this tweezer, then slowly, this is the, you can see this is the rectum, and keep your this tweezer in this way, and the rectum should be between the tweezer, and slowly you should press and hold it, then slowly you should remove it in this way. Okay, don't go very fast. Okay, you can see slowly it will be come straight. Okay, it's complete. Then in upward you can also do in the, catch the intestine very carefully. Okay, you can see that these thin tissues are present. So first I should remove this so that it will be come straight. Now you can see, you have observed that it came straight because it is first U-shaped, then again it can come U-shaped. So in this way you should remove, and slowly you should remove this tissues so that it will not interfere your work. Slowly you should go. So in this way, so remove the, and you should display the intestine. Okay, so this is the intestine. Now you can see this is the stomach, which I have shown you by putting this needle upward. So same way you should remove these tissues. Okay, now you can see first you should remove, then you can can see clearly. In this is removed, and this is stomach. In exam you should do very carefully, otherwise if it is damaged, then it will deduct your marks. So be careful by doing the practical. So remove, if it is not removed, then with the help of scissor cut this tissues so that it will not interfere. Okay, now you can see that I have cleaned and I have taken out the intestine, also the stomach. Now I will show you the full digestive system of this fish. So as you have seen that this is the mouth, you know that I have already said that digestive system start from mouth, You can see this is the mouth. Second, it comes to the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity where the means before going to the esophagus, the food will be stayed there only for a few seconds only. Then it will again go to the esophagus like humans. Then it is the buccal cavity. Then buccal cavity. Then it come to the pharynx and it enter to the esophagus. Okay. Now I will show you where the esophagus is situated in this phase. In same process, put your needle tip backside in the mouth of this fish. You can see this part is the esophagus. This part you can see the movement of the muscle. This part is, you can see this part is the esophagus part. If I expand these muscles, then you can see pretty carefully. Now you can see this part, you can see this part, this moving part, this is the esophagus. Then it enter to the stomach. You can see this is the stomach. This is the stomach. I moving, putting this my needle backside. This is the stomach. Okay, mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach. Then esophagus, then it enter to the stomach. Okay, then it goes to the intestine, then it go to the rectum. The rectum work is to you know that in intestine that absorption taken place, and if undigested or unabsorbed any waste material is present, that it will be absorbed from this rectum. Then it after full absorption completed, then it comes out from the anus. So this is the full digestive system for mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine, rectum and anus. Okay, now what is this internal organ, and it's a digestive organ. You can see that helps in the digestion. You can see this is the liver. You can see this yellow, this orange color or deep yellow or orange color. This is this is the liver. This is the liver. This small part you can see this deep color. This is the gallbladder. This is the gallbladder. Okay, this black color is the gallbladder. Now this also helps in the digestion. It is part of the digestion only. Now you can see this small tiny one, it is not stomach. Okay, it is not stomach and not the part of the intestine. It is pyloric ceca. It is the pyloric ceca. This pyloric ceca is present between the stomach and intestine. Okay, this is the pyloric ceca. Now I want to say that sorry that before it is a pyloric ceca, it is correct. This is the bile duct. Okay, so this is a bile portion, and the bile, the gallbladder. Okay, this is correct. The gallbladder. This is the pyloric ceca. Okay, sorry, there was some confusion also present. Then you can pyloric and the gallbladder, pyloric ceca. In pair of pyloric ceca is present, one in this side and one is in opposite side present, because 2 pyloric ceca is present, means pair, one pair of pyloric ceca, and this is the intestine. Okay, the stomach. So what we have observed, this is the digestive system. Now you can see in downward it now I will show you, as I dissected this phase, the digestive system is completed. Now you can see that this is, you can see this is the reproductive part of this phase. This is the reproductive part. This tissue you can see, this is the reproductive part of this phase. This is and which is present above this intestine above. Okay, and between intestine, and this air sac, swim bladder. Between this reproductive system is present between this swim bladder and this intestine. Now you can see the kidney also. This you can see this Y shaped, you can see that kidney. I hope you can see this Y shaped kidney. You can see, I try to clean this part so that you can see clearly. It is not a part of digestive system, that I have show you that how it is present in fish. You can see Y-shaped kidney is present in fish. You can see Y-shaped kidney in this Y-shaped kidney is present. Okay, so this is the circulatory system, not part of the digestive system. So I have shown you the digestive system, also this reproductive part also, and this swim bladder and kidney and some internal organs. Okay, I hope you have understand. And this is the digestive system of this fish. So in this way you should dissect this fish, supplied specimen or this fish or channa species, and you should demonstrate all this internal organ, the digestive system. If you can, you can also show the kidney and swim bladder and this reproductive part also. So I hope you have understand today's video how to dissect the dissection, how to dissect the fish and to demonstrate the digestive system, dissection of this digestive system. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in comment box. I will try to solve your problem. So thank you, have a nice day.